Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Steam Deck internet keeps disconnecting and how we can fix it. So the first one, when you're having this trouble, all you have to do is just have to check the internet connection. That means not in the Steam. Here as you can see, it is already connected to the Wi-Fi, but you have to check on the router which is already there. You have to look into it and you have to make sure they're having enough data. That means they're having enough mobile pack, or else you'll be having the trouble. So you have to check whether it's already connected safely on the Wi-Fi. So just navigate to the Wi-Fi and go over here. Now from here, as you can see that it's already connected, you have to check all these kind of cross-checking and make sure it is already connected. And once you cross-check with this, as well as you make sure that the Wi-Fi is having the internet connection over there. And the next one is all about, you have to check with this. That is all about, you have to check the cable connections, whether not the Steam Deck but the respective one from which you are taking it as a Wi-Fi is not having any cable issues. Even if they're going through any kind of cable issues, if the cables are not working properly, if the Wi-Fi is completely shut down, definitely you'll be having a lot of trouble. So this is also quite important step. You have to make sure. I knew these all things are actually very small and basic step, but this did comes a lot of matters when it comes to this kind of issue. So next one is all about, you have to change or try with a different network. For example, as you can see here, I'm in the Wi-Fi, and over here as you can see I'm connected to the Wi-Fi office, right? So these are the available Wi-Fi right now. Okay, so I'm done with this Wi-Fi office. Even if I connected, I'm not having internet connection. The next thing is I have to do is I just have to go for the next one and try connecting to these Wi-Fi connections, which is over here. Then check whether you are able to get the internet connection or not, because this did worked for many of the users. Sometimes with an issue can cause the issue, so you have to make sure all these kind of things. Next one is all about, if the Wi-Fi is connected to the Steam Deck as well as it is already from the respective router, you are not having internet connection. That might be because of the speed. So you have to make sure that you're having good internet speed, which is causing the issue. So you have to make sure in that way also. So it should not be so far from a Steam Deck, or it's not be so far from whatever it may be. So you have to make sure they're having enough speed, or else be very close to the Wi-Fi router. And last and the least all about is, you have to disable the Wi-Fi. That means you have to you can completely eject it, in the sense you can completely disconnect it, or you can go for forget it. Then after that, try reconnecting back. This did worked for some of the users. You can reconnect it back, and after reconnected, after disconnecting or forgetting it from the completely, try to reconnect it back did work for some of the users, and this is what you have to do. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you're having an issue with Wi-Fi, or the internet keeps on connecting and it keeps on changing when it comes to the Steam Deck, and how we can fix it. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.